每个人都有你的巅峰，每个人一辈子有3次机会会达到你的巅峰，我们要努力 ，OK？ 每个人只有3个机会，你要抓住 ，OK？
Although we know we're much too big, we were moving mountains long before we know we could. There can be miracles when you believe. The most world is hard to clear.